Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kaddevaru, computer teacher for standard 2nd. So children, we have studied about shapes tool, we have studied curve tool, we have studied polygon tool. Now we are going to study about some other tools used in paint. So children, let us begin. So children, today we are studying about eraser tool. So generally you know what is eraser? Yes, eraser is used to clear out whatever you have written, isn't it? Similarly, we have eraser tool in paint also, where we can clear or erase any part of the picture or drawing. So how to use this eraser tool? Let us study step by step. First one is, in the tools group you have to select eraser. So children, you can see here, this is the tools group here. So in this you find eraser. So first click on eraser. Secondly, you have to select the size of the eraser. So children, here when you click on the size, you get various thickness of the eraser. So select any of the size you want. After selecting the thickness, what you have to do? You have to click, or you have to bring the pointer of the mouse onto the drawing area. Bring your mouse in the drawing area and then drag the mouse, that is click on left click button and then drag the mouse wherever you want to erase, or whichever part you want to erase, and automatically the part will get erased. So I have dragged my mouse here, that is this part is being erased. Are you understanding, children? Okay, this is how we are using eraser tool. First, click eraser tool from tool group, select the size and then bring your mouse in the drawing area and then click and drag the mouse here wherever you want to erase. Suppose if you want to erase here, then left click your mouse and then drag the mouse from this to this. So automatically the portion will get erased. Next we have fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill a selected color in any closed shape. Whichever shape you have drawn, to fill that shape with the color we use fill with color tool, and it provides an easy way to fill the, instead of taking your pencil or the brush and filling the color, it is very easy to fill color with the help of this color tool, that is this option. So how to use it? First thing, you can draw any of the shapes you want and then select the fill with color tool in the tool that is tool group. So children, you can observe tool group here. In this tool group, select fill with color, that is this shape you will find here. So select this and then in the color group select color 1 and color 2. That is, you can see here color 1 and color 2, isn't it? So in the colors group, first select color 1 and then select any of the color you want. So after selecting the color, what you have to do? You have to bring the mouse pointer inside any one of the rectangles. So now I have drawn these rectangles, but in the earlier stages there is no color filled to this. So when you select color 1 and all, the color gets selected and then you have to just go on filling the color. Now first rectangle was, suppose if this one, first one is inside one is pink, so color selected here is pink. So when you click your mouse here, the color changes to pink. Next I have selected green, so go to color 1 and select green color and then come to this rectangle and then fill. So like this you can fill any colors to any shapes, not only this type of rectangle, or you can use any of the shapes to fill the color. So I hope this fill with color is very clear and understood to you all? Okay, now let us move to text tool. So children, till now you had an conception that paint is used only to draw the pictures, fill the colors with it, change the size, you can erase it. But we have another interesting thing in this paint, that is text tool. That is, you can also type anything you want. Like you can draw any shape, you can write your name in it, or you can write anything you want. So to use this text tool, there are certain steps. That is, first one is, in the tool group select text. Next, in the drawing area where you want to add text, click there. So when you select the text tool and when you come back to drawing area, you will get this type of the tab or the text tab appears in your toolbar. So after this, you have to select the font group, font style, size and style. So how to do this? So children, when this toolbar appears, you can see here we have you can select the font group. That is, you can select the font, that is Bardoni MT black. You can change to some other as well. Next, here you find some numbers, that is 36. When you click on this, you get various numbers, 36, 38, 40, so on. Next, bold, italic, underline, isn't it? So you can select any one of them, and then you can select color one, so that it changes the color of the text whatever you are writing. I will show this screen in a broader manner. Okay, so see here children, you can see, first select the font. That is, when you click on this arrow, you can select the tool, the font whichever you want. Next, select the font size. You have size here, you can select bold, italic or underlined here. Okay, so this is how the font style, size and this one is selected. Next comes color. Now see here, in color one I have selected pink, so my writing, whatever I write, it appears pink. If you want some other color, you can use some other color as well. So when you select the color, and then what you have to do, you have to start typing the text. So when you start typing the text, whatever you write, it appears in the color which you have selected. So children, is it understood? Okay.